Hey, this is Chad Bruno from My Content Creator Pro. What I want to do is I want to show you today how to write SEO optimized blog page with ChatGPT in WordPress, okay? If you want to stay tuned, I'm going to show you the WordPress plugin that you can get that I'm using today to do all this. So like I said, wait till the end of the video and I will show you and give you a link that you can go there and check it out for yourself, okay? So let's first go into our WordPress website. Now we're going to come down to pages right here. Then we're going to click on Add New Page. And what we're going to do is come over here. Ignore all this right here. We're going to scroll down here. We have a title, description, content length, language, writing style, writing tone, SEO optimized, generate tags, but we don't do that with pages. Generate FAQ, generate conclusion, and add a YouTube video, okay? And we can also make images right here too, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to come right up here and we're going to put a title in here. Now the title I'm going to do today is 10 ways ChatGPT can help my online business. I'm going to use the same description right here. Now the more you write in here, the better article or page you're going to get from ChatGPT. So make sure that you put the best information in there. Like I said, we have a system that takes this information right here and allows to send over to ChatGPT the best way, so ChatGPT will write it better than if you were to go into the free version of ChatGPT and write it yourself. This is a whole different thing, okay? So this takes your articles, your posts, your pages to a different level that allows them to get ranked better and to write better articles for you, okay? So what you do right here is the content length, okay? This is how many words to your article or page. So what we're going to do is we're going to click right here, and I'm going to just do 2,000. Then the language, there's 39 languages here. All right, and we're always adding more as we can. I'm just going to use English. And then writing style, there are 20 writing styles here. I'm just going to choose, let's see here. I'm going to choose professional. Then writing tone, there's 10 writing tones. I'm going to choose right here, educational. Then SEO optimized. Okay, this is extremely important. We are always updating this with the different search engines for, say, Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other ones out there too, to make sure it has exactly the right information, the right prompts to write the best articles and pages for you, so your pages and posts rank high in Google, Yahoo, and Bing, and the other search engines. So this is always getting updated to make sure that we get you on first page of Google, Yahoo, and Bing, and other search engines. This right here, generate tags, that doesn't go with the pages, okay, with pages setting up. So we just turn this one off. Generate FAQ. A lot of times people, when they come to your website and your page, they might have questions. This right here will generate FAQs that will answer most of their questions, I'm sure, for them, okay? Now, if not, then below in your comments, you can answer them from there, okay? The next one right here is generate conclusion. You always want to have a conclusion in your article or post or page. That helps wrap things up and allows people to know what the article or page is all about. So you want to make sure you do that, okay? Keep this on, and that will set all that up with ChatGPT. It will send the information over, and then add a YouTube video. The whole thing about people coming to your website is you want them to stay there for a long time. So if you have a video on your page, plus the FAQ and a conclusion and a great article, they're going to stay there longer. And if they stay there longer, search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo, and the other search engines are going to say, hey, this person's staying there a long time. We want to make sure that we rank this article or page higher, so people can start seeing this because this person is pumping out great content, okay? And that will increase your traffic, signups, and sales for leads, okay? So what you do is you want to keep that checked. Now, what's going to happen is it's going to take this information right here. If you check this box for add YouTube videos, it's going to take anywhere from 30 seconds to 60 seconds to pull the information here to write your article and to find the right YouTube video for your article or page, okay? So what we're going to do is we're just going to come over here, make sure we have everything filled out. We have the title, the description, the 2,000 words for the page. The language is English. The writing style is professional. Writing tone is educational. SEO optimized is on. Tags are turned off. Generate FAQs, generate conclusion, and add YouTube video. So what we do now is we just come right over here, generate text, okay? So what it's going to do is it's going to go out there and find the best YouTube video, and then you're going to be able to choose which one you want to do for the YouTube video. And then, like I said, it's going to come up here, and it's going to write the title right here. All right, boosting online business success, 10 beneficial strategies of utilizing ChatGPT. Okay, so it goes with what you put right in here for it to write about. The 10 ways ChatGPT can help your online business. So once it finds the YouTube video, it's going to post the article and then the YouTube video right at the top once we choose it. So we'll just give it here a sec and we'll just wait. All right, and then here it is. Okay, here's the article right here. All right, here is the videos here. So we're just going to choose, let's see here. We're going to choose this one. Let's see here. We're going to use this one right here. So now it's going to put it right here at the top. You can just delete this if you want, like that. Really simple. Come right in here. There's your FAQs. There's your conclusion, just like I said. And there it is, written perfectly to get ranked high in the search engines for Google, Bing, Yahoo, and the other search engines out there. And like I said, now if you want to get your hands on this powerful WordPress plugin, it's called My Content Creator Pro. What you're going to do is below this video, you're going to click a link, okay? And it's going to bring you right over here. Make sure you watch the video right here for more detail. Make sure you check out all the information here. There's other videos and tutorials that explain each aspect of the different features that come with My Content Creator Pro. We have an elite version and a pro version. The elite version is the best. That one is the one that we use today with ChatGPT. So if you want to have the features that ChatGPT has in our WordPress plugin called My Content Creator Pro, get the elite version today. And always, if you have any kind of questions, put them below this video, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks again. We'll talk to you soon. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.